Picture a smart speakerphone that not only withstands dust and water, but also serves as a power bank, boasting a whopping 20-hour battery life. And that's just the beginning. Imagine an all-in-one remote for your smart devices, enabling flawless presentations and effortless device management from afar. With these mind-blowing tech innovations, get set to make a lasting impression like never before. CHEERDOTS CHEERTOK. Say goodbye to those nerve-wracking moments of hurriedly minimizing tabs while browsing online. The CHEERTOK Pocket Touchpad swoops in to save the day with its ingenious solution. Acting as an all-in-one remote for your smart devices, it grants you instant control from a distance, ensuring seamless presentations and discreet device management. Crafted with comfort and precision in mind, its touchpad is a joy to use, offering effortless navigation between web pages, apps, and media controls. Plus, with an impressive battery life lasting up to 20 days, you can bid farewell to constant recharging woes. And let's not forget the built-in laser pointer, injecting a burst of excitement into your business presentations and banishing dull deliveries to the past. With the CHEERTOK Pocket Touchpad by your side, navigating the digital world becomes an absolute breeze, free from stress and hassle. Get ready to be swept away on an electrifying journey through groundbreaking tech and awe-inspiring inventions that will completely revolutionize your view of the world. GperGPS Tracker. When it comes to keeping tabs on your loved ones or precious belongings, the LEVITATIng Tracker offers a dependable solution. Since its launch in 2016, it has gained popularity among over 3,000 organizations and individuals alike. This tracker harnesses the power of GPS for swift and precise location tracking, allowing for customizable frequency intervals as brief as 10 seconds. Equipped with a safe zone feature, it promptly notifies you if your loved ones wander off, along with an SOS signal for emergencies. Boasting a 10-day location history and the ability to function while charging, it ensures minimal downtime. Whether you're keeping an eye on a child, a family member with dementia, or a valuable package, the LEVITATIng Tracker delivers peace of mind and security. Varjo XR4 Series. XR-VJO, a trailblazer in VR and AR innovation, has once again shattered expectations with the unveiling of its XR4 series mixed reality headsets. Positioned as a dynamic alternative to the much-anticipated Apple Vision Pro, these headsets are packed with cutting-edge features tailored specifically for corporate and industrial users. While they may not be the most budget-friendly option compared to the Vision Pro, their prowess in professional applications such as training, design modeling, and surveying is simply unmatched. The XR4 series dazzles with a stunning 4K display panel boasting an astonishing 28 million pixels, complemented by revolutionary features like eye tracking, light R depth sensors, and autofocus cameras, ensuring an unparalleled level of detail perception. This groundbreaking technology is a game-changer for industries like aviation training and cockpit simulation. Despite requiring wired connectivity and a powerful PC, XR-VJO's latest masterpiece has the potential to ignite a revolution in the adoption of VR and AR across diverse industrial sectors. Get ready to witness the future in action. MSI Stealth 16, Mercedes-AMG Motorsport Edition laptop. MSI has joined forces with Mercedes-AMG Motorsport to unveil a gaming laptop like no other. Packed with top-tier specs including the latest Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics, alongside a breathtaking 4K OLED display, this laptop redefines gaming excellence. Built to withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions, it boasts a robust build and cutting-edge cooling system for peak performance. Complete with an eye-catching RGB keyboard, Wi-Fi 6E capabilities, and specialized gaming features, it's tailored for the ultimate gaming experience. While its battery life may fall short compared to some competitors, its multimedia playback capabilities shine through its Mercedes Burmester-designed speaker array. Despite its premium price tag, the inclusion of Mercedes-AMG accessories elevates it to a must-have for gamers seeking luxury and unparalleled performance. Get ready to game in style with the MSI and Mercedes-AMG collaboration. Prepare to be amazed by not just one, but two incredible tech innovations that will leave you in awe. These amazing devices are available now, poised to elevate your tech experience and transform your daily routine like never before. AIR Purifier Levitating Ball. Check out this intriguing ball. It seems to have a personality all its own, almost like it's in a rush to get to work. Its main job? Keeping the office air humidified. Powered by batteries, this versatile gadget can be placed wherever you need a fresh breeze. And that captivating strobe effect swirling in the water, reminiscent of something straight out of Darth Vader's Bacta tank, wouldn't you say? Despite the illusion of water droplets defying gravity, it's simply a clever play of light. Yet, this effect isn't just for show. It also serves as a visual cue that the ball is properly positioned, ensuring it efficiently tackles odors and maintains a balanced atmosphere. This makes it an ideal addition to any home office, or bustling workspace. While it might lean more towards being a conversation starter and decorative item than a cutting-edge air purifier, its visual appeal is undeniably impressive. PolySync 20 Smart Speakerphone. Introducing the PolySync 20, engineered to elevate sound and microphone performance for remote work setups, available in both wired and wireless versions. Say goodbye to subpar laptop or standard headset sound. This device delivers superior audio quality, complete with a respectable speaker for enjoying your favorite tunes. While it's tailored for work rather than catering specifically to audiophiles, it doesn't skimp on features. With convenient quick access buttons for customization, dust and water resistance, and the added bonus of functioning as a power bank, it's a multitasking marvel. Plus, with an impressive battery life of around 20 hours, you can power through those long workdays without missing a beat. The microphone's impressive range of up to 6 feet ensures you have the freedom to move around during meetings without compromising sound quality. In summary, the PolySync 20 is the perfect companion for work scenarios where flexibility and top-notch sound are non-negotiable.